In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a Shopify Collaborator request quickly and easily. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Settings, then select Users and Permissions. Scroll down to the Collaborators section and click Request Collaborator Code if you haven't enabled one already. Shopify will generate a unique collaborator code for your store. Copy the collaborator code and send it to the Shopify partner, developer, designer, or marketer you want to grant access to. They can then submit a collaborator request using that code. Once the request is sent, return to Users and Permissions to review the request. Check the permissions being requested and click Accept Request if you're comfortable granting access. That's it. Your collaborator can now access your Shopify store with the permissions you've approved. Thanks for watching.